So hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today again I am back with another important numericals on transmission line design. And here this numerical was once asked in 2015 fall of Pokhara University. And here we have given the power to be transmitted is given as 1200 megawatt and the distance of transmission is given as 1000 kilometers. And here we have the voltage level. Two voltage level is given. First we have 400 kilovolt and then we have 750 kilovolt. And in this question you have to calculate the possible number of circuit required with equal magnitude of sending and receiving end voltage. And here we have the phase difference is given as 30-degree phase difference. And similarly we have to calculate the line current, and in the third we have to calculate the transmission line loss. So firstly we will calculate for 400 kilovolt line. So for voltage level 400 kilovolt, here we will calculate the required parameters. And here from this question, so here we have given the power is given as 1200 megawatt and the distance of transmission line, it means L is given as 1000 kilometers. Here it will be 1000 kilometers and Vs will be 400 kilovolt and its angle will be 30 degree, and VR will be 400 and angle will be here, yet receiving it will be 0 degree. So here first here we will calculate the power transfer capability of single circuit lines. So we have formula as P is equals to V square sin del upon XL, and we have V as first we have to calculate for voltage level 400 kilovolt. So here we have V as 400, so 400 into 1000 square into sin del equal to sin 30 upon XL, and here for 400 voltage level XL is given as here 0.327 per kilometers. So 0.327 into per kilometers and the distance is given as 1000 kilometers. So we'll get here 245 megawatt, and the required number of circuit will be here total power to be transmitted by power capability of a single circuit, and total power to be transmitted is given in the question as 1200 megawatt, and here we have obtained the power transfer capability for single circuit lines, and that is 245 megawatt. So 1200 megawatt upon 245 will get here 4.9, and that is equivalent to 5. So required number of circuit will be 5. And in the second you have to calculate the line current. So for line current we have the equation as here root 3 VI cos pi equals to V square sin del upon XL, and here assuming Vs and VR as V here, and here we will assume cos pi as 1. So here from this we will get the value of I as I is equals to V sin del upon root 3 XL. So V will be here right now we are calculating for the voltage level 400 kilovolt. So V we have 400 kilovolt means 400 into 10 power 3 into sin del, and the value of del is 30 upon root 3 XL, and for 400 voltage level the XL is given as 0.327 into per kilometer. Here we have given here for 400 kilovolt, here we have a value of X is 0.327 ohm per kilometer. So here we have used the value of XL as 0.327 and per kilometers, and the distance L is given as 1000. So once we calculate we'll get here 353 amperes. Now total line loss will be 3I square R, so 3 into, and the value of I just now we have calculated the value of I as 353 amperes and the value of R. So for 400 voltage level we have the value of R as 0.03 ohm per kilometer. So here we have used the value of R for 400 voltage level as 0.031 into 1000, so you'll get here 11.59 megawatt. Similarly you can calculate all the required means power for required number of circuit, similarly line current and total line loss for 750 kilovolt. Similarly we will repeat the process for 750 kilovolt, and here sometimes in the questions there will be said as in the question there will be 30% compensation provided in the questions. So for that case we can use XL dash as XL equal to XL minus 0.30 means 0.7 XL. So in place of XL we will use here XL dash, and we will repeat the same process to calculate if 30% to calculate all the parameters if 30% compensation is provided. So in this way you can calculate the similar type numericals. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.